Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for you. Today, we're talking about the best Mulling Spices Bulk, Spices Village Mulling Spice. If you're someone who loves cozying up with a warm cup of mulled wine or apple cider, then this spice mix will be your new best friend. This 6-ounce bag of Spices Village Mulling Spice is the perfect blend of cinnamon, allspice, cloves, and nutmeg. It's a versatile spice mix designed to elevate your beverages, making them feel like a comforting holiday tradition, no matter the time of year. Whether you're preparing a classic mulled wine or warming up a pot of apple cider, these spices will bring that perfect aromatic and flavorful touch to your drink. The beauty of this mulling spice is its convenience. It's pre-mixed, so you don't have to worry about measuring out each individual spice. You get the right balance every time. And, because it's in bulk, you won't run out quickly, perfect for gatherings, parties, or just enjoying a cozy night in. The resealable bag ensures that the spices stay fresh, so you can use them whenever the mood strikes. This spice blend is also great for more than just cider and wine. You can sprinkle it into your baked goods, such as pies, cookies, or even pancakes, for that sweet, warm, spiced flavor. It's also fantastic for adding to homemade potpourri or even as a unique seasoning for savory dishes. The options are endless, and the fragrance alone will make your house smell like a holiday wonderland. What makes Spices Village Mulling Spice stand out is its quality. This mix is kosher, gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO, so you can feel good about the ingredients you're putting into your food and drinks. It's a natural choice for those looking for a clean, high-quality spice blend that packs a punch in terms of flavor and fragrance. And with the holidays just around the corner, this spice mix is an essential for anyone who loves making warm drinks for friends and family. It's easy to use, and the flavor is spot on. No more fussing with multiple spice jars, just pour, heat, and enjoy. So, if you're looking for the best Mulling Spices Bulk, Spices Village Mulling Spice is the way to go. It's a high-quality, versatile, and easy-to-use option that will make your seasonal drinks even more special. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products out there. Happy mulling!